Salut, dear potential project partners. I am Juliane, and I have a deep passion for animals and for humans, for nature as for art. Therefore, I now start a project community, a place where we can cooperate in a dignified and in an equal way as humans, animal, plants and artists. In order to make this project fly, I need your support. I grew up with rescued horses. Over the years, I could experience how these tender animals help us humans. And now I want to rescue them who are suffering. Horses are suffering. Abandon, exploitation, confinement, loneliness. These horses I want to give a place, a home, and make them the heart of a place where also we humans arrive. Hear my vision. There is a place where rescued horses live their very nature. They are deeply social beings, and like this, they can awaken in us this side. They can free us from our competitive behavior. And this movement towards cooperation, this really corresponds to our need for community, for love, for self-determination and for mutual support. This project can be the breeding ground for further projects, such as permaculture, a seminar area for inner, social and artistic processes. I am a horsewoman and a theatre and dance director. I accompany non-directive constellations and I directed a horse rescue place. Now I'm looking for the place in order to realize this project. I am looking for like-minded people, for partners and for supporters. So if you feel now addressed, I am really curious for your proposal. Let's start.